You are watching Shayna-Renee.
What's up, you guys? My name is Shayna-Renee, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses, if you must, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel, where it is dope and fire over here. We have a good time doing styling videos, fashion videos, audition videos, dance videos, DIYs, hair, and more. So we're gonna have a good time today with this video. We are doing a Forever 21 haul / styling video. I'm hyped because they're definitely killing it with the basic pieces, and if you know me, you know I love to style basic pieces and dress it up or dress it down and make it look fly. So that's what we're gonna do today. Disclaimer, I'm not gonna be styling all the pieces fully. I will be having the same jewelry on. I'm not gonna deck it out. If you wanna see something like that happen, ask me down below and I could do that in a different video, or you can follow my Instagram. That's where I usually style my pieces fully for the most part if I don't do it in my video here. So stay tuned for any of those type of looks because it's gonna be fire. I promise it is. Anyway, let's get into this video because I'm excited. Wait, if you're from Forever 21 and you're watching this, sponsor your girl because these looks are gonna be looks. So let's get into it. Yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna style is this jogger. I love it so much. It has the cargo pockets, so it already gives it like a little bit of a vibe. So I love that. And I'm gonna pair it with this. I am excited because I've been waiting so long to get this forever. So I'm excited. I have another color, you'll see that later. So I wanted to go with these two items together, and I was thinking about pairing it very simple, very girly street. I was thinking about either a graphic tee or like a really cute baby top, and of course I went with the baby top. So I'm gonna show you the tops that I was thinking about. This is the first top I was gonna go with because it is cute. It has like a shiny little look, and I was before on my Instagram, and I think this looks super cute. I was going back and forth because of the white detailing. I'm like, if I want to do an all black sleek look, I don't know if I would like the little white detailing on it, and I ended up not going with this, but I think this would still look really cute with it. I decided to go with more of the basic top. I feel like because this is smaller and it has like the details of the silver, I feel like it'll just make the outfit come together a little bit more like vibey. So I went with this top. Now, let me put this down real quick. Now, I was going back and forth about how I'm going to style the footwear, because I'm like, I can do an all black fire look that's super simple, or I can do something with a pop of color that just gives it a little bit of a edge to the outfit. So I styled a few variations of like something super simple that I'm like, these might work. And I feel like if I did the all black, nothing really stands out about the outfit. It just gives it, oh, like this is a clean outfit. Like she looks cute, and that's fine. Now, when I style it with a little bit of a pop of color, I feel like it gives it a little bit more of a, okay, like let me look at her. It just gives like a little bit of a vibe. Now, adding like the jewelry and everything, I feel like that tied it together to give like a really cute street vibe. I love how I have the chain on the side, and it was from my bag. It was a chain that came with my bag, and because it's so super oversized and long and dramatic, I feel like that makes it even more like, yo, why did she wear it like that? That looks kind of fire. I never seen it that long. So I'm dramatic, so that's what I did, and I feel like the look came together really well. So I really like the blue and black with the outfit. You guys let me know which vibe you felt. Now, it was a little cold, so what I had to do was I had to pair it with something else and still try to keep it in the vibe. I used this jacket, and I feel like it just also made the outfit look so fire still. So I think I did really well with this outfit, and let's move on to outfit number 2. These are the next thing that I'm going to show you. When I seen this, I absolutely loved it, and I'm like, yo, I need to get these pants, no ifs and buts. And when I tried them on, when I got home, I wasn't a fan of them as I thought I would have been. I love the fact that it had like the paper bag top to it, but for some reason, it just fit me a little bit weird. I thought it was gonna be like a really baggy, swaggy look, and it wasn't. So I was just like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. So I decided to play a little bit with this outfit, well, both outfits. So I decided to do something super simple and do like the same color palette, and I think this looks like really cute and fire, just for like, honestly, it gives like a class look. You could dance in it, you could go out and just have a cute little summer vibe with your friends. You could change it up with the sneakers being the same blue color, do different shades of blue, or you could do the classic white and make it simple and boom, bow, pow. So I also did a yellow top, which is something that I did in one of my other hauls, but on TikTok. I didn't do it for YouTube, so check that out. I'll put it down below where I got it from. So I wanted to do something that was like kind of color blocking. That was in my mind. I was gonna wear like my Lucky Strike shoes, but for some reason I was like, I don't know. And then I'm like, you know what? Let me just try something that is super random. It is another form of color blocking, but I naturally wouldn't have gravitated towards these colors. But as I was looking around the room, I'm like, you know what? Let me try it. Let me put this together. And I actually think it kind of works. I really like this fit. I feel like the blazer with it just gives it a little bit of a, I'm somebody important, I do something like special type of vibe. I feel like the sneakers go with it, but I could do something that works a little bit different. I'm not sure what type of sneaker I could do. Maybe even like a boot heel. I use what I got and I feel like it still works. And for the last one, I just did something just simple, fun, and still in like that kind of street realm. I have my snipe shirt. I pulled up the pants, high waist to tuck in the top. And I just decided to do like the purple in the shirt, boom, a purple sweater on top, and also with the yellow bag, I feel like that works too. I will probably get a different type of bag, but it's the only yellow bag that kind of gives that street vibe that I feel like would work with this outfit than my other yellow bag that's more dressy. So that's what I did with this, and I love the way I style all of them, and I will be wearing it somewhere sometime in the summer. So check out my gram to see how I style it. This is the next featured item. I think this top is super cute and it is nice for the spring and the summertime. It's a mesh swirly top and it's very lightweight, so you'll be really cool in this. Now I'm gonna pair this with these boots that I got from Forever 21 a while back that I never wore yet. I'm excited for these boots. I had the perfect outfit to wear it last year, but I didn't wear the outfit anywhere. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna save these boots, because these boots, I can't let them get dirty, because I can't find these boots anymore, because it was like, what, last year? But I'm pairing these two together and the look, I'm digging it. So the first thing I did was I paired this with, of course, a shade of brown, like pants. I was trying to go for either like a high waist jeans or like some baggy oversized jeans, and I went with some baggy, slight baggy jeans, but it kind of gives like a preppy vibe. So what I did was I rolled it up at the bottom and it gave like, I could be wrong, but I want to call it like some hobo type of vibes. I know that's not the right term, but I'm gonna go with that. So I did that look with these boots and I feel like it came out looking amazing. And that's the look, and I paired it with a purse. And I decided to not go with the orange purse because I feel like, of course, the color coordinating with the orange is predictable. So I went with my bag that I think is absolutely beautiful. I got it from the thrift store and I think it's amazing. So I went with the bag that had the different types of browns in it, so it could kind of go with the swirly shirt. And I could either do sunglasses with it, a brown or an orange. And I was going back and forth about it, and I kind of like the brown wooded sunglasses the best with this outfit, but I do feel like either or would definitely work. Also, besides wearing sunglasses, I also could put on this hat, and I feel like this hat kind of like gives the outfit a more chill vibe, really down, like chill vibe. Now aside from that, I paired it with a skirt, and with the skirt I just did a white skirt and some white tennis shoes. Are they considered tennis shoes? They're like white, kind of like white Uptowns, but like a different version. I'm gonna just call it white tennis shoes. So I paired it with the white shoes, and I wanted to keep the same bag. I could either do white sunglasses, I could do orange sunglasses, and I think it would be a nice look. Cool. Now moving on to the last look of it, I also paired this with another skirt. This one is like a jean guest skirt. I feel like this gives me like old school, back in the day 90s type of vibe. I love it so much. So it's a cute button-up skirt, and I paired that with the same boots, and I feel like it just gives it a vibe. And same thing with the glasses. I could pair a bunch of different glasses with it, and I think it just looks really cute and fire. I wanted to do this differently than just styling it with my orange blaze dunk, because I'm like, that's an easy, like, oh, put this on, but I just wanted to try something different and switch it up, and I feel like this outfit works. So here is the second vest. I forgot to mention I got it from the men's section. While styling this vest, I wanted to do another streetwear type of vibe. I wanted to go with this pink shirt that is a Rihanna shirt from one of her tours, with some cute shorts that's not super booty shorts. It is high waist shorts, but you can't tell. So you see how I wore it. I wore it like this, where you can see the shorts, and the shirt is kind of like scrunched at the bottom, as well as I also have it where you don't see the shorts and it looks like it's a dress. And I think it looks super cute with the contrast of the vest on top. And to tie it all together, I feel like these pink sneakers look so cute with this outfit. It looks pretty low-key fire, so I definitely went with that. And just to do it a different way, hopefully I'm not forgetting the glasses. Forgot what glasses I wore. Also, another way I decided to style this is going with this SpongeBob shirt. It's a black shirt, and the shirt is like purple and pinkish, and I paired it with these like pants joggers that are pink. To tie in the vest with the look, I decided to put on the same boots I had on earlier, the tan, and I feel like it just gave it a really nice, dope vibe. And paired it with some sunnies, and I feel like this is a good to go outfit that is super simple and super fly. I picked up this set, and I think it is a really, really nice color, especially on my skin. It's a rust color. I got it because I really want to start pushing working out again, and I'm hoping that I have a cute set is like the answer, so we'll see. So this is nothing to it. I think this set is cute. You could wear it with a bunch of different colors. I just chose to wear it with some white sneakers. And if you wanted to flip the script and have like a nice little shirt with it, you could wear it with this. I have sneakers on with this. I wouldn't wear it like this with the sneakers, but it's the only one that has to match. I would really have to think about this outfit to see how to make it work with this shirt, but that's it for that one. These are the shorts. I got it from the men's section. This is a size small. I used to get it either a small or medium. I had so many thoughts of what would look fire with these, and it was not working out, and I'm like, yikes. So I thought this was gonna go with these. Let me show you. I'm like, oh, when I bought this, I was like, oh, it's gonna look good with it. It doesn't. It definitely doesn't. So I tried different options, and it just was not working out. Because sometimes, you know, you try stuff in your head, you're like, oh, it's gonna look fire, and then you try it on, and it's like, it doesn't look fire at all. And that's exactly what happened. But anyway, so what was a dope fit, which is super simple, I decided to wear the Office shirt, my Michael Scott shirt. Well, I am watching The Office as I'm making this video, so I'm like, you know what, that would be so cute. So I put on that shirt with the shorts, and I feel like the hint of that greenish color is in the shirt, so it looks really dope. And I wore, I don't even know what number Jordans these are, but I think it's called like the Oreo or something. I don't know. But the Jordans I wore with it, I feel like it gave it a nice like street vibe, especially with the gray socks scrunched down. Especially with the gray socks scrunched down, I feel like it gives a nice dope vibe to it. Real simple, but it's still like, it hits. It literally still hits. And just for fun, I threw on the shorts with this sweater, like really, really basic, but it still works. It still works. So yeah. Anywho, that concludes this video. I hope you liked all the outfits that I did. I feel like overall, I found some good outfits. Some of these outfits is stuff that I never would have paired together, and I'm like, you know what? Just try to do something different. Try to use stuff that you haven't really worn or showcased in your videos before. So that's what I did in this one. Sometimes I like to showcase the same things, so that way people can know you can wear the same thing over and over and just wear it differently, because the social media got you thinking differently. But anywho, this is my haul for Forever 21 with a hint of styling in it. because your girl likes to style some clothes, especially some basic clothes. So if you like any of these things, it will be linked below if I can find it. If not, hopefully you guys can find something in your local Forever 21 store, and I will see you in the next one. So just make sure you comment, subscribe, like, and tell me if you like the video and what you want to see or what could be better, if anything. So I will see you in the next one. Later. This is the top for today. This is the top for today. Why would I say that? I paired it with some jeans, and I paired it with some joggers. The wind is not letting me be great. I'm trying to take these pictures, and the wind is